Hello, this is our project, Partial project. This is our team, Alejandro Herrera and me, Ernesto Murillo. And in this project, we're gonna resolve some problems we were assigned, and we're gonna either prove if it's a continuous function or a discontinuous function. We will also provide in this video with a stop motion of us solving the problems, and meanwhile the problem goes on, we will be explaining how we did it and what is going on.
In the first example, from the two assigned to our team, we solved in a whiteboard to determine if it's a continuous or discontinuous. We found that it was not vertical asymptote, since we won't be solving for x. There is nothing to clear out. As a result, this also means there are no holes in the function. As for the horizontal asymptote, we determine it is 1. This is because as we found the highest exponent inside the function and divided. The result is 1. This is a bit simple to solve. We then proceed to graph the function, and in this graph you can see how it extended from infinite to negative infinite. After considering all these factors, we can conclude this is a continuous function.
So in the second problem, in which y equals 4 over 5 minus 2x, we can find the horizontal asymptote by just dividing the upper exponential by the one below, and in this case there's no upper exponential, so we have to put a 0 there, and the one below is negative 2, the one that has x. The exponential is 1, so 0 divided by negative 2 is equals to 0, as we can see in the picture. Then we find our vertical asymptote, in which we solve for x on the part below the fraction, which is the one that contains x. So we clear this, and we can find that our vertical asymptote will be equals to 5 over 2, and that will solve our problem right there. And as a matter of in which if it's discontinuous or continuous, in the graph we can analyze that it's a infinite discontinuity, because it will never meet it at either point, and it just goes infinite on 2 points.